Error code 3005 is a common streaming error on Xfinity, indicating a disruption between Xfinity's servers and your device. It typically appears as error 3005, streaming error, and interrupts video playback on devices like Roku, Fire TV, or Xfinity's own boxes. It's often caused by network instability, app glitches, or DNS issues. We will cover common and up-to-date troubleshooting methods in this video. The first and simplest solution is to reboot your equipment. Power cycling clears temporary glitches and refreshes connections, resolving the issue in about 70% of cases. For streaming devices like Roku, Fire TV, or Xfinity Box, simply unplug them from the power outlet while they're still on. Next, do the same for your modem and router. Unplug them both, wait 30 seconds, then plug them back in to refresh the connection. This power cycling process clears temporary glitches and refreshes connections, successfully fixing the error in approximately 70% of cases. DNS, or Domain Name System, translates website addresses into IP addresses that computers can understand. The DNS resolution process involves multiple servers working together to find the correct IP address. Incorrect DNS settings can slow down this resolution process, causing timeouts that lead to error 3005. Switching to a public DNS server like Google's 8.88.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 can bypass ISP bottlenecks. If rebooting your devices and changing DNS settings don't resolve the error, try clearing the cache and data of the Xfinity Stream app to remove any corrupted files. Next, ensure your streaming device's software is fully up to date, as outdated firmware can cause streaming errors. As a last resort, consider a factory reset of your streaming device. Remember to back up any important data before proceeding. Xfinity is now integrating AI-driven diagnostics into its app ecosystem to predict and resolve error 3005 automatically. These algorithms analyze user data patterns to identify potential issues. They apply fixes autonomously, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. The future of streaming error resolution lies in automation. Expect to see more self-healing streaming services that use monitoring platforms to detect issues and automatically apply fixes, eliminating the need for manual troubleshooting like reboots. Advancements in 5G technology aim to provide more reliable connections with lower latency and higher speeds. This will significantly reduce the occurrence of streaming errors, benefiting users in urban and suburban areas with robust coverage. Looking further ahead, 6G technology will harmonize spectrum globally, ensuring reliable connections even in rural regions. Combined with quantum-secure DNS protocols, this could lead to virtually zero streaming errors, making manual fixes obsolete. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and error 3005 still persists, it's time to contact Xfinity support. There may be an issue with your account, equipment, or local network infrastructure that requires professional assistance. Have your account information and troubleshooting steps ready when you call.